Today, I'm reviewing the Launch CR3008 Plus Professional OBD2 Scanner, a plug-and-play diagnostic tool designed to help everyday car owners and DIY mechanics take control of their vehicle's health. Stick around because this little scanner might save you hundreds of dollars. Product features. The Launch CR3008 Plus is an upgraded version of earlier launch scanners like the CR3001 and CR529, and it shows. First, it supports all OBD2 and EOBD functions, which means it works on almost all vehicles after 1996 in the US, European cars after 2000, and Asian cars after 2008. It can read and clear check engine codes, access IAM readiness status, retrieve your vehicle VIN, and even show live data like RPM, speed, and engine load in real time. That's huge when you're trying to diagnose problems instead of guessing. One standout feature is the one-key IAM readiness button, which instantly tells you if your car is ready for an emissions test. No menu diving required. It's also plug-and-play, powered directly by your car, and features a 2.8-inch color TFT screen with a clear interface and easy-to-use silicone keypad. Even beginners can pick this up and start using it in minutes. Plus, it supports 8 languages, making it super accessible worldwide, and includes lifetime updates, which is a big win long-term. Pros and cons. Pros: very beginner-friendly, works with 99% of vehicles, one-key IAM readiness check, live data monitoring, lifetime updates, no batteries needed, powered by the car. Cons: doesn't offer advanced bidirectional controls, not meant for full professional shop-level diagnostics, fault codes should only be cleared after repairs, not as a shortcut. Overall review. Overall, the Launch CR3008 Plus is an excellent scanner for car owners, beginners, and DIY mechanics who want reliable diagnostics without spending a fortune. It gives you real answers, helps you avoid blind repairs, and puts knowledge back in your hands. If you want a simple, powerful, and trustworthy OBD2 scanner, this one is absolutely worth it. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart car-saving tips, and check the product link in the description to see the latest price on the Launch CR3008 Plus. Drive smarter, save money, and I'll see you in the next video.